Appreciate you. Very nice to meet you. Dude, Armenians have soft hands, bro.
Soft?
Yeah, her hands are so soft.
You get her number?
No, bro, it didn't work. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Hell yeah! Chat, the life of Armand, you either take one Ferrari or the other. It's insane. It's crazy, bro. Holy shit. Is this the main restaurant over here? This okay. God, that guy's nose is huge. Yo, I don't want
Oh my god.
Dude.
That was telefonum նկարեմ։
Karma's a bitch. Karma's a bitch.